better have some gloves. I'm gonna tell you what, if you don't, you'll figure out why. Welcome back to Square County Homestead. I'm actually back home on the homestead, back in the great state of Mississippi. A lot of work to be done. We've been processing turkeys, chickens, you know, just doing general maintenance. So today, I'm going to be showing you how we bag our chickens, but I want to show you what we built here, which is a little chicken stand. And I'll give you an up-close view of what's going on here. And with mine, you'll see a lot of couplings. That's because we've got, I'll use existing parts that we had. No need to, you know, not use something that you already have. So that's the reason why we got coupling. So we'll get into this bad boy, and I'll show you what we did here. So as you can see, we just basically made a base. We got T's. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 T's. And the reason why I put these T's like this instead of just 90s going around is I can always add if I want to have more rods. So let me just show you. I've already decided I'm going to extend and make more. So as of right now though, I'm just going to use what I have. So 10 T's. Roughly these are 6-inch pieces. In between here, these are 18-inch. Need caps. And the reason why I'd say you need caps, you don't want chicken juice going down in this pipe, especially if maybe you don't have open pipes down here. You don't want that stuff staying in there and causing more bacteria and whatnot. So this is 3/4 pipe. You need to have some cutters. If you anything around the house, you probably got some of these laying around anyway. They're worth their price, I promise you. You got primer and glue. You don't have to use the primer. That's just a habit of mine. That's just all-purpose glue. And basically, I think this is about a foot apart. But you want to make sure you have enough room from chicken to chicken where they're not all bunched up with each other. So we'll use that today when we go back over here and start bagging these chickens. So there's our chicken rack in action. And actually, like I wanted to, I went ahead and added on to it, so that holds 10 chickens at a time. So they're kind of drip drying out before we bag them up, and we'll go through the bagging process in just a few minutes. We've got these chickens on the stand. We're going to take our bags from Texas Poultry. Best bags we've ever used, by the way. We're going to go ahead and just cover them. Have everything ready while our water's heating up. You can probably hear it boiling or going now. But while they're drip drying, we're just going to cover them up with these bags. Alright, so we got our temp. Alarm just went off. It's 195. You better have some gloves. I'm going to tell you what, if you don't, you'll figure out why. So we got this little bird here. Take him out. probably have to take this glove off. Got a little hose that goes in the chicken's vent. Twist her up. Go ahead and put a zip tie on. Don't be scared to go ahead and tighten this zip tie down. Now, it's going to bring all this air out of this vent. If it don't, pull this pipe up just a little bit. It may be all the way down and hit to get some skin or something. And you can hear this, hear the air coming out of this vent, or I can. Snatch the hose out. And there she is. Tell you what, that's the best. Hope you can see it. That is the best bags we've ever used. We've used a cheaper brand. They'll tear, a little bone will poke through. These are the best bags we've used so far. Texas Poultry bags. Get you some.